Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ChargeHub account to start EV charging, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize your ChargeHub account for EV charging, start by opening the ChargeHub app on your device. If you haven't already, create your ChargeHub account by selecting the sign up option. You will need to provide your email address and create a password. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Settings menu located at the bottom of the app's home screen. Look for the Account or Profile section within the settings. Select the option for Payment Methods to add a payment source. You will see options to link a credit card or a digital wallet. Enter your payment details as required, ensuring all information is accurate. After entering your payment information, save your changes. Next, return to the home screen and locate the EV charging station you wish to use. Tap on the charging station icon to view its details. Here, you should see an option that says Start Charging. Select this option to initiate the authorization process. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm your payment method. Review the details and confirm your authorization. Once the authorization is successful, you will receive a notification. You are now ready to start charging your EV. To ensure a smooth experience, monitor the charging progress through the app. If you encounter any issues, refer to the support section in the app for assistance. Enjoy your charging experience with ChargeHub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.